So now let's talk about IAM. So IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, and it's a service that lets you control who has access to your cloud resources. And so there are some components of IAM that we need to know. The first one are users. So when you create your Oracle account, you're going to want to create users so people have access to your Oracle resources. So a user would be an individual employee or system that needs to manage or use OCI resources. Then you have groups. So groups is a collection of users who all need the same type of access to a set of resources or compartments. Then you have dynamic groups. So dynamic groups is a special type of group that contains resources that match rules that you define. If this is not clear, don't worry. We're going to go through how to make a policy, and this will make it very clear. And then we have policies. So this is a language that defines permissions. So if a user, group, or dynamic group or compartment should be allowed to access specific OCI resources within your account. And one thing I want to note that if you've ever used any other cloud provider, OCI is a bit different in that when you create a resource or a user or group, you don't assign at the time of creation a pre-created policy. You just create the policy and it's in effect. And this really confused me because I was looking forever in the console saying like, okay, how do you sign it? And so you just create the policy and it's in effect. So hopefully that will be clear as we work our way through this stuff.